Good morning students. Today we have learned about discovered things and our solar system. So let's start discovered things. You know who discovered the calculator? Telescope, pedal bicycle, cement and stainless steel. Firstly tell about calculator. Calculator was discovered by Blaise Pascal. Easy to calculate addition, subtraction, division, multiplication or roots, etc. Now, second, telescope. Telescope is discovered by Hans Lippershey to see stars, planets and asteroids which is present in our sky. Now third, pedal bicycle. Pedal bicycle was discovered by K. Macmillan. Too easy to move from one place to another in some time. Now fourth is cement. Cement was discovered by Joseph Asperdin. It is used to make houses, buildings, schools, etc. Now fifth and the last is stainless steel. Stainless steel was discovered by Harry Brearley. It is used to make exercise kit, utensils or many other things. Now come to the exercise. Open your book, page number 51. Chapter 35, Invention. Firstly write date, quotation, be honest and draw a line. Then match the column who invented these things. First, Hans Lippershey invented telescope. Second, Blaise Pascal invented calculator. Third, Harry Brearley stainless steel. Fourth, K. Macmillan invented pedal bicycle. Fifth, Joseph Asperdin invented cement. Now, open your next chapter 36, Beyond Our Earth. Firstly, we have learned about our solar system. So, let's start. The sun is the biggest heavenly body we see in the sky. The sun is actually a star. The sun is very close to the earth. The sun is bigger than the star. It is actually the nearest star to the earth. It is the ball of gases. It gives us heat and light. We should never look at the sun directly as it can harm our delicate eyes. Many heavenly bodies revolve around the sun. They are called planets. Earth. Heavenly bodies that revolve around the planets are called moons. Sun, planets and their moons together are called solar system. Sun, planets and their moons together are called solar system. Let us learn the name in order of their position around the sun. First, Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun. Second, Venus, the hottest and brightest of all planets. Third, Earth. It is the only planet on which life is known to exist. Fourth, Mars. It is also known as red planet. Fifth, Jupiter. It is the biggest planet, largest planet in the solar system. 6, Saturn. 7, Uranus. 8, Neptune. Light of the sun falls on them. Only the sun and its stars have their own lights. Planets and moons do not have their own lights. Let us learn about the planet one by one. Mercury. It is the first planet from the sun. So, it's closest to the sun. It is also the smallest planet in the solar system. It is extremely hot during the day and extremely cold during the night. Now, second planet is Venus. It is the second planet from the sun. It is the brightest and hottest planet. It is also known as goddess of beauty. As it can be seen in the morning and evening, it is called morning or evening star. Now, the third planet is Earth. It is the third planet from the sun. It is the planet we live on, and it's a unique planet as it has life on it. Now, the fourth planet is Mars. It's a rocky planet. It looks red, so it is also called the red planet. Now, the fifth and the largest planet in the solar system is Jupiter. It is so large. Now, the sixth planet is Saturn. It is second biggest after Jupiter. It is yellowish in color. It has beautiful rings around it that are made up of ice and dust. Now, the seventh planet is Uranus. It is very cold as it's very far from the sun. A thick layer of gas covers this planet. Now, the eighth planet is Neptune. As this planet is farthest from the sun, cold winds blow here at very high speed. Thank you.